the anchor point would be 4, 0. And this one, the anchor point would be 0, negative 4. So you can say shift, the first one is shift, okay, right 4. This one is shift down 4. Okay? All right? I think we're almost done. We're down to the last few questions. Okay? Just hang with me. Okay? So, we want this first one in interval notation. Okay? All right, now, this is pretty easy. Label your points. Label always label your anchors, your mins, your maxes. So you label anchors, min, max, y-intercepts. Oops. I'll do min, max, and arrows, if you got it. Okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's negative 3, negative 3. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So 4, 2. Okay, so if I'm doing domain here in interval notation, okay, my smallest x value is negative 3. And since that negative 3 is in a closed dot, that's what I would have. My biggest one is 4. Now, since that 4 has an open circle, I put a little curved bracket. My range. My smallest y value I have is negative 3. My biggest y value I have is up there, it's 4. And since that 4, right, is at a closed dot, that's what I would have. Now this one's slightly different. I got to label my arrow. This is a left arrow, so negative infinity. All right, negative infinity, left arrow going down. This is negative 2, 2. Okay? All right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 5. Now, where most people make their mistake, you have to label this minimum point. Okay? You got to label that. That's going to be 2, 1. All right? Most people forget that point. They don't label that. This one would be infinity, infinity. Okay? Now, my domain, my smallest x value here, okay, is negative infinity. My biggest x, so if I compare all of these, the smallest is negative infinity, biggest is positive infinity. The way, when it goes from negative infinity to positive infinity, the way you can write that in interval notation, you just write XER, which stands for all real numbers. My range, okay, my range, my smallest y value is negative infinity, okay? My biggest y value, okay, is also infinity. Oops. So negative infinity is my smallest y, biggest y is positive. So that would be YER, all real numbers. Okay? All right? Now, there also could be written, like the domain could be written as negative infinity, positive infinity. The range could be written as the same thing. All right? I think that's it. Okay? Main thing is use your graphing utilities. Understand how to label arrows. That's the biggest component of it. Okay? Remember, for increasing, decreasing, okay, we start with the left. Only care about x. So a couple things to summarize. Okay, when you graph. All right? Okay, my anchor point is opposite, and then it's follow. Okay, all right. When you graph, do anchors, mins, max, y-intercept. All right, label your arrows. Okay. When you're doing domain, small x, big X. When you do range, small y, big Y. Okay? When you do increasing and decreasing, we only care about the x's, and we start from the left. Alright? And when we do these, okay, look at your arrows. Look at your arrows and the y coordinates of those. Okay? If you go through that and just practice that up, you should be fine.